Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Huawei launched a unique phone yesterday, the Huawei Pura X. This phone features a 16:10 aspect ratio display. It is a foldable phone and also comes with a secondary screen. Today I will be doing the unboxing, first impressions, and discussing one ultimate advantage of the Huawei Pura X. This video was shared by our tech partner from China, so a big thanks to them. Let's start with the unboxing of the Huawei Pura X. This is the top-of-the-line collector's edition version of the phone. The box comes in a gold color, and the price of this highest variant in China is 9,999 CNY, which converts to around 1,066 pounds in the UK. Now, what's the difference between the collector's edition and the standard edition? If you remove the gold cover, you'll get the white color of the standard edition. Here, Harmony OS is mentioned on the box. Let's open the lid. We'll keep the phone aside for now and check the box contents. Inside, you get a SIM tool, user manual, case, and a compact 66-watt power adapter. Let's remove the plastic and talk about the phone's design and build. First of all, this phone comes in different screen sizes. The back design looks quite premium, and it has a leather back. On the top side of the back, there is a different pattern, while the bottom side features both horizontal and vertical textures, giving it a luxurious feel. On the right side of the phone, the screen covers most of the area, while the remaining space is taken up by the camera and flash. Huawei always brings new innovations. A while ago, they launched a triple folding screen phone, and now they have introduced a phone with a different aspect ratio. Which design do you like more? Let me know in the comments. Now let's power on the phone. As expected, Huawei phones now run on Harmony OS. This phone features a 6.3-inch main screen with a 1320 by 2120 pixel resolution. It comes with an LTPO OLED display that supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. You probably already know that LTPO means the refresh rate is variable from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, which helps reduce power consumption. Additionally, the screen offers 2500 nits of peak brightness and supports 440 Hz PWM dimming for better eye comfort. The biggest highlight of this phone is its screen size, as it takes the movie and series watching experience to the next level. This is because you will see very minimal black bars on the top and bottom. Even the gaming experience will be superb, and we will test it in detail in our gaming test and review video. So to watch the review first, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. If you browse or read a lot, this screen will also provide a great experience. In reading mode, you also get several AI-powered features, which I will explain in detail in the review video. This phone also includes a 3.5-inch OLED secondary screen, which supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. Despite being a small screen, it offers many functions. You can even watch reels and short videos on this screen. Plus, it can be used for payments and navigation as well. Now let's talk about the camera of the Huawei Pura X. The phone features a triple camera setup, which includes 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, an 8-megapixel telephoto camera that supports 3.5x optical zoom and also comes with OIS, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wide-angle shots. For selfies, the main screen has a 10.7-megapixel front camera. One big advantage of the small secondary screen is that you can also use it to capture high-quality selfies with the rear camera. Talking about the battery of the Huawei Pura X, it comes with a 4,720 mAh battery. For charging, it supports 66-watt wired charging and 40-watt wireless charging. The battery is divided into two parts inside the phone for better efficiency. This phone also includes many extraordinary features, which I will cover in detail in the review video. To watch the detailed review first, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. Finally, here you can see a comparison between the standard variant and the collector's edition. So friends, how do you like the design of the Huawei Pura X? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next latest tech update. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.